inch by inch, row by row. Gonna make this garden grow. Gonna mulch it deep and low. Gonna make it fertile ground. Inch by inch, row by row. Please bless.
So today we're going to be planting some of our cold weather vegetables.
So here they are, the same ones that I showed you last week. They're still looking pretty happy.
Do you remember what we are going to plant?
And first thing we're going to do is start to take out the individual packs and decide what we're going to put into the garden. It's going to take some planning because, as you can see, the garden is divided up into little plots. It's a little overcast today, but that's all right. I'm kind of hoping for rain because the very first thing that our vegetables are going to need once they're in this garden is some water. And I'd rather that Mother Nature provide it than for me to have to get out the hose and do some watering myself.
So let's start by putting each pack in a plot. But first, know your tools. Gloves, dibber, knee pad.
Tell me, didn't it rain, children? Rain all night long, didn't it? Yes, didn't it? You know it did, or didn't it? Oh my Lord, how it rained. Tell me, didn't it rain, rain?
Now that we have our plots filled with the veggies that we want to plant today, we want to take each little cell out of its pack. You go to the bottom of the cell pack and you squeeze each cell and then carefully pull out the vegetable. And then you put it where you want it in your plots.
Can't you take on more? But no crowd out, my friends. The angels got the key and you can't get in. I know it rain, you know it rain. Rain too long, all night long. Rain in the east, rain in the west, rain in the north, rain in the south. Rain, 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 rain.
Now it's time to plant them in the ground.
Up to my thigh, up over my shoulder. Nora, it's raining. Please, Nora. Tell me, didn't it rain, children? Rain all night long, didn't it? Yes, didn't it? Yes. Nora, it's raining. Please, Nora. Open up the door, Nora. I want to come in. I can't stand it no longer, no. I just want to come in. No, no, said no, 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 no. I know it rain. You know it rain. Rain too long, all night long. Rain, children, rain on my Lord. Didn't it? Yes, didn't it? You know it did, or didn't it? Oh my Lord, how it rain, rain.
Okay, all finished for today. Now let's hope for some rain.
Inch by inch, row by row. Please bless these seeds I sow. Please keep them safe below till the rain come tumbling